My Roomba went through dog poo and then got wet cleaning it. It started running and wouldn't turn off, now it is dead. Can I do anything with it?
Hi there, when the Roomba gets wet, you need to remove the battery immediately, otherwise the power will be carried by the water and the internal electronic components will be fried. Leave the battery removed for 48 hours and place the Roomba in a warm, dry place to allow all of the moisture to leave it. Then replace the battery and try powering it on, but only once it is fully dried inside. If it won't charge or operate after this, then it will need to be returned to Roomba for repair. However, a more reliable option would be to have it replaced with a new one by your house insurance, if you are covered against accidental damage. Hi Cindy. I'm just following up with you to see how everything is going. Do you need any further assistance? Let me know, Pete.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.